Thank you to everybody who watched me all season and has been supporting me. I love you all. I want to thank everybody who has been supporting me throughout this journey on AGT. All my fans, all my family, all my supporters. I just really love and appreciate you guys. When I first saw myself on TV, I was like, oh my God, I'm on America's Got Talent. And then like it really kicked in. This is crazy, this is real. But I cannot watch myself more than like 3 times or I start to freak out and panic like, oh my God, did I do that wrong? One of my favorite memories on AGT was when Simon came back and, you know, really lifted me up after my audition. That was a really big moment for me. I feel like that was a stamp. Like, you're really supposed to be doing this. And then Simon just told you, like, your career is about to start. So I feel like that was one of the biggest things that happened on AGT for me.
Hi guys, did you like this video of all behind the scenes? If you want more, subscribe right here. You still haven't done it yet? What are you waiting for? Subscribe right here.